Can I do a full face of makeup but only using products that have purple packaging? Why, yes, I absolutely can, bestie. Let's get to it. I still have a job opening for anyone who wants to help me organize this shit show. Let's begin with primer. This entire thing just fucking exploded everywhere. No! How did that even happen? This is my favorite one, dude. Everything's a little bit damp, but that will not stop us. We already got a setting spray and a primer. For concealer, kind of a no-brainer. This one's more my color. Quickly turning into a full face of only Tarte. Y'all, foundation. I don't think we got a lot of options. The closest thing I can find is this Bear With Me Blur by NYX. Ooh, bronzer. Does that count? I don't know which cream blush I want to do. Let's try this one out. Eyeliner. Ooh. The brows, duh. Now mascara. Oh, my all-time favorite. Ooh, I should prime our lids with this just because. So this is stunning. Lip liner. Ooh, hello. This is a lipstick though. Oh shit, this is so bright, but it's purple. Gloss. Ooh, these are both really cool. This one's like holographic. This one's a little bit more purple, so let's go with it. Ooh, for palettes, I got this ultra lavender one. My favorite from Janessa Myricks. She's my favorite. I gotta go with her. Lashes. I already see some purple. The style is stunning. Go to part 2 to see me put this all on my face.